This is the final video to solve Signal Desktop's recurring backups glitch. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Signal Desktop's recurring backups glitch, and I am going to share them with you. First, we tackle clearing Signal's cache because Signal Desktop stores temporary and cached files that can become corrupted, directly interfering with the backup process and causing this persistent glitch. By removing these files, we compel Signal to rebuild its data, effectively resolving underlying inconsistencies that trigger the error and ensuring a clean operational environment for backups. Next, a full reinstallation of Signal Desktop addresses deeper issues that a simple cache clear might miss, removing all potentially corrupted core application components and configuration files. Starting fresh ensures all application binaries and dependencies are in their pristine state, eliminating any software integrity problems that fuel the glitch. Our third method involves adjusting backup settings, as the glitch might stem from an inaccessible or permission-restricted backup destination. Changing the backup location or toggling automatic backups resets Signal's internal pointers and permissions, allowing it to re-establish a stable connection with storage and complete backups without error. Finally, updating both Signal Desktop and your operating system is crucial. Developers frequently release patches for known bugs, including backup issues, and improve compatibility. An outdated OS can also conflict with Signal's functionality. Keeping both current provides the most stable environment, mitigating software conflicts and vulnerabilities.
Till we hit a red light, then I see the side. Oh, after